Hi guys, summers are officially here and it also has brought body odor with it. But I have found a way to fight my body odor. I found a very easy way to fight the body odor, which is using these underarm roll-ons. In today's video, I'm gonna compare all these three so that you don't have to buy all these. And you can buy any of these according to your preference and your skin concern. So, Paul, I'm going to talk about this Chemistad Play Roll-On, and it is particular roll-on has 5% of AHA, vitamin C, sodium hyaluronate, and ceramides in it. This comes in multiple fragrances like Pudi, Aqua, Jasmine, and it also comes in fragrance-free formula. Talk about the benefits of this one. Then this helps to exfoliate your underarms, reducing the pigmentation and brighten your underarms. And the best part of this is that it is alcohol-free. If we talk about the price and quantity of this one, then it retails for rupees 399 for 40 ml of the product. Now talking about the cons of this one, the only con it has is that it shows result but is very slow. I'll talk about this Be Body Wise Underarm Roll-On and talking about its ingredient plus 4% AHA, 1% BHA, 1% mandelic acid and alpha-arbutin. It comes in floral fragrance and it also helps to exfoliate your skin, reducing the pigmentation, and it is aluminum free and it also soothes the skin. Retail for rupees 449 for 50 ml of the product. This product can be so harsh for sensitive skin as this has 6% of active ingredients in it, and also it is less effective for heavy sweating. Though if you sweat more, then Chemistad Play 1 is for you. Now, and the last, this is Wishcare Ka Underarm Roll-On Serum. This comes in the serum form. This has 5% of AHA, 3% kojic acid, hyaluronic acid and liquid extracts in it. This also has Cica, which helps to soothe and calm down the irritated skin. So this comes in fresh aqua fragrance. It also helps to exfoliate your skin. This helps to reduce the pigmentation. Has the most long-lasting fragrance among all these three, and it is alcohol free. It is for rupees 399 for 50 ml of the product. So according to the price, this is the cheapest one among all these. Initially, when I apply it, its fragrance is so harsh, but once it settles down, it is not that harsh anymore. So guys, I hope now you have found your perfect body roll-on for your pigmented underarms. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more such videos.